Good morning, guys. Now, if you have listened SMTP and POP3, by now you are going to understand what we are doing. So, I want to give a quick review. And if you have not listened SMTP or POP3, first please go through SMTP and POP3 and understand what is happening. So, firstly, I'll tell you what is happening in the SMTP and POP3. SMTP is for transferring of the mails. Okay, if you want to transfer the mails from the client to the server, we are using SMTP. And if you want to retrieve the data, whatever the data we have shared or whatever the mails you have shared to the server, okay, here the transfer is happening from client to the server. Okay, client to the server, you're sending the mails or messages. So for retrieving all those from the server to the client, you are going to use a POP3. This is one of the procedure. This is nothing but MMA. We are going to achieve this POP3 by using a MMA, that is message access agent. By using this message access agent, you are going to access the messages from the client to the server to the client. So this is a basic POP3. POP3 is a basic one protocol which is used for normal general purpose of general systems. And here in the system you need to install the software application. And coming to this IMAPv4, it is nothing but Internet Mail Access Protocol. So it is an advanced version of POP3. So in this advanced version, we have more complex functionalities. Okay, features and functionalities, more complex features and functionalities are there in this Internet Access Protocol version 4. So what we are going to do is, compared to POP3 and the IMV4, we have very lots of difficulties and lots of differences are there. So the first difference is, in the POP3, what we are going to do, we are going to check the mail. After checking the mail, if you are in the primary system, the data will be deleted in the server, right? The data will be deleted in the server, it will be stored in the client. But coming to this IMB4, the data will not be deleted automatically. No automatic delete going to happen in this Internet Access Protocol 4. If you are in a primary system or secondary system, anything, the delete of data will not be done automatically from the server. If you want to delete, the data will be deleted. And second point is, if you want to create a mail or delete a mail or rename a mail, all these things you can do it in this IMP AV4. And this is the second one. And coming to the third one, what we have is, we are going to have labels. Okay, we are going to have labels or the highlight, like what is the headings. Okay, we are going to have headers. Okay, we are going to have headers for every mail. We are going to have a header, like what is the mail, what is the purpose of that particular mail, here the description, everything you are going to have. The header you are going to have in this IMP AV4. And coming to the POP3, you are not going to have those type of headers. And coming to the fourth point is, what we are going to have is, here, if you want to label the data category wise, like you want to label all your office files separately. Office files you want separate folder, and for your personal files you want a separate folder. All these type of folders or hierarchy you want to maintain, by using IMPA4 you can achieve it. Okay. And coming to the fifth point, sometimes we want to search about something. Okay, we want to search, we cannot go to the complete list, right? ఏదైతే లిస్ట్ ఉందో, లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ మెయిల్స్ అన్నీ ఉంటే, we cannot go to all the mail, right? For that purpose, you want to use search. This POP3 is not giving that option. Search అనే ఆప్షన్ అనేది ఇవ్వదు. If you want to open, you open it, delete it. Or else if you are opening in a secondary system, I'll hold it. In this way it is telling it. But search option is not there. Search option unte enti, if you have 100 mails, from the 100 mails you want to filter from 2 or 3 mails, that is your notes or your office documents you want to search. అప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాం, it is going to search the complete mail. Okay, mail లో header part okkate kaakunda, not only the header part, we are going to have body part. Header part lo the read chestadi, and the search will be happening for the paragraph also. In the body part, how many paragraphs are there, all those will be searched in this IMAP4 protocol. So here you are retrieving the data. Not only you are retrieving the data in the POP3 and IMPA4, you are retrieving the data, but here IMP has advanced feature. Here no automate deletes are going to happen. And second is, if you want to create or rename the files, you can do it in the IMAP4. And coming to the next thing, if you want to search headers, you want to view the headers, so all the headers will be visible. Okay, headers are visible here. Headers are visible. If the headers are visible, no need to open every mail, right? If you are opening, you are going to have some 10 mails. ఆ 10 మెయిల్స్లో ఏముంటుంది, బ్యాంక్ మెయిల్ ఉంటుంది, ప్రమోషన్ మెయిల్స్ ఉంటాయి, లేదంటే పర్సనల్ ఉంటాయి, సమ్ అదర్ థింగ్స్ ఉంటాయి. సో దానికోసం you no need to open every mail, right, if you have header. So here this IMP4 is going to provide you this headers, so that which mail it belongs to, ever పంపించారు, ఎందుకు, what is that heading, you are going to get in this IMPv4. And coming to the next one, you are going to get the hierarchy. If you want to maintain hierarchy, ఒక hierarchy order maintain చేయాలి. if పర్సనల్ ఫస్ట్ ఉండాలి, ఆఫీస్ తర్వాత ఉండాలి, లేదంటే ఆఫీస్ ఫస్ట్ ఉండాలి, దాని తర్వాత పర్సనల్ ఉండాలి, దాని తర్వాత బ్యాంక్, స్పామ్, సో ఇవన్నీ ఇలా యూ కెన్ మెయింటైన్ ద hierarchy. And coming to the next thing, if you want to search for something, it is going to search the complete mail. Okay, in the mail how many data is there, the header part it is going to check, the body part it is going to check. So this is about the IMPAV4. So I hope you are clear with this concept. And with this I want to also explain about web mail. Okay, web mailing. ఈ వెబ్ మెయిలింగ్లో ఏం జరుగుతుందంటే సార్, సో ఇన్ దిస్ POP3 ఆర్ IMPv4, వాట్ వీఆర్ డూయింగ్ ఇస్ వీఆర్ ఇన్స్టాలింగ్ ఏ సాఫ్ట్వేర్. ఓకే, you're going to install a సాఫ్ట్వేర్ అంటే ఏంటి సార్ అంటే, యు ఆర్ ఇన్స్టాలింగ్ ఏ యాప్. ఒక యాప్ అని ఇన్స్టాల్ చేస్తున్నావు, జీమెయిల్ కానీ సమ్ అదర్ మెయిల్, ఒక జీమెయిల్, యాహూ ఇలాంటి మెయిల్స్ అనేవి, యాప్స్ అనేవి ఇన్స్టాల్ చేస్తున్నావు ఇన్ యువర్ PC ఆర్ ఇన్ యువర్ మొబైల్ ఆర్ సంథింగ్. యు ఆర్ ఇన్స్టాలింగ్ ద యాప్స్, యు ఆర్ ఇన్స్టాలింగ్ యువర్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఇన్ ద POP3 and IMPv4. So coming to the web mailing, what it is going to use it is going to use web browsers. It is going to use web browsers. By using this web browsers, what you can do, you can easily log into your mail. You can easily log into your mail. It might be Google, Gmail or Apple's or some other mail. You can Microsoft, Yahoo, email can log in avalante. By using a web browser, you can log in to your browser, your mail, and you can access the data, all the operations, whatever the viewing, everything you can do it. Okay, if you want to search, you can search. You want to create a mail, you can create. And not only it, you can also transfer it for your friends. You can open it anywhere. So here what is the differences between this POP3 and IMPv4? So here for the data transfer, they are going to use dedicated persons, MMA and MTP. These are the protocols they are using it, right? Here also it is going to use these protocols, but if they want to enter into the web browser, they need to use this HTTP also, HTTP or HTTPS. అంటే ఏంటి, డేటా అనేది MTA దగ్గర నుంచి కానీ ఆర్ MA నుంచి కానీ డేటా వచ్చిన తర్వాత దే ఆల్సో నీడ్ టు అప్రోచ్ ద HTTP ఫర్ చెకింగ్ ద సెక్యూరిటీ. ఓకే, ఫర్ గెటింగ్ ఇన్ టు ద వెబ్ బ్రౌజర్. ఇఫ్ దే వాంట్ టు ఎంటర్ ఇన్ టు ద వెబ్ బ్రౌజర్, they need to come to this protocol HTTP and they need to enter into it, and after that the user can view the data. That is the difference between this POP3, IMAP4 and web mailing. Okay, I hope these concepts are clear. Once go through the notes is also available. Please go through the notes. If you have any doubt, please ping me. Thank you.